Hello everybody, Teaching69 here. So today I'm making a tutorial video about how to fix assets with this error. Fail to commit changes to assets due to file access error. This is like a common issue with Camscott's newer models that were made in trains near error. So the ones I had to deal with before are like the LBSCR I3s, the Drummond 080, and now this, the Great Central Railway 8Gs. So this video was not my idea. I got the idea from here. I can't pronounce that. It's Japanese. So I'm just gonna call him Lemberg because that is his name on like my Discord server. Alright. Yeah, he's been having issues. So like I've used and like the zip converter to do this, but I've managed to find another way to do this. Okay, so before we do this, we're gonna have to open the file. So we're gonna Control Shift E or right click, edit in Explorer. Just show up. There we go. Larger icons. As you can see here, the config right here, it's a chump, which like we can't edit. So here's the way I found to do it. So in the description of the video, I'm gonna link to this website, which has things right here. But the only one we're gonna need is, let me find that. There it is, Jump Expander. Like what it literally did is like it converts a chump file into a text file. Alright, so I'm just gonna download that. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for the process. There we go. Alright, so download. Refreshed it. There it is. Jump Expander. Okay, we're just gonna extract that. Okay, here it is. That. Okay, so it might throw up this warning, but it's okay. Just like see more information and like use anyways. There we go. Alright, so it's open. Now we're just gonna drag it. Here, drag this to the Jump Expander. Expand Jump. There we go. So then delete this. And we had to go to the textures. Here it is. This is the main culprit. Textures compression. So just delete that. Delete this. Okay, there we go. So let's open the config and see. Okay. This might look like unorganized because like yeah. Also, another thing I recommend doing with Camscott assets is like removing the shadow mesh. Because like, these assets do not have their own shadow mesh, they're just called asset bodies. However, this is an issue. Because like, well, this could literally crash your game. It's gonna be really laggy because, you know, Camscott models are kinda high poly. And like, since it's shadow mesh, like, it's gonna be really laggy and like it looks weird and like it might crash the game. So, alright, that's it. Next thing I have to do is close how I did my stuff. Alright, so edit, commit, or just Control M. Control M. Now we just have to wait. This might take a while. So yeah. The reason this took a while because like not only because of like the Camscott, but like the textures. The textures are really large, but like Content Manager is also rewriting config files, Oh, there we go. Okay, what error is this? No, specify interior is not correct. Okay. Alright. Wait. Oh, yes. Like, we also have to fix that. So... Okay, so I'm just gonna come back in a minute. Right, so that's kinda it. Okay, we're just gonna come back.
But Percy just went.
Alright, so we're back. And it has submitted successfully. So, yeah. Sorry, like, this tutorial is quite short. Because, like, there's not that much to say. So, yeah. Alright, so, I've deleted the shadow mesh from the tender. So, and also deleted the other keys because I don't need them. So, alright, so, let's test this. Start. Okay. Already saved this. Oh. Oh, wait. Just ignore that. Still. And so, in the Camscott model, it looks absolutely amazing. A bit jarring. I think it's a bit jarring, honestly, because, like the detail is like a bit too much detail, but hey, can't complain too much. It's just awesome. So it's cool. Okay. What? Alright, here we go. Alright, so I think that should be it for today, everyone. So, yeah, bye-bye.